In this video, I will guide you how to put timer in PPT slide. This is really helpful if you have a meeting and there is a 5 or 10 minutes break in that, so you can put timer in the slide. So how you can do that? Go to the insert and click on the get add-ins and type break time and hit the search icon. And here is the break time. You need to just click add and click the continue. So first time it will take some time, so it's loading right now and its default time is 10 minutes. So you can change it to 5 minutes, and here is the start and stop time, and here is the reset. And if you want to change the background, you can add some reading time format or whatever you want, tea time. This is much better. So you can also resize it. And so once you are happy with the placement, you can resize and stop it and reset. And now if the once the tea break, you can start here, click over here, and that's all. You can easily put timer in PPT slide. So I hope you understand how you can put timer in PPT slide. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.